I've got some fun news to share with you. I'm so glad you're following me here on Oh Yum, and the countdown is on for Anna Cooks to hit the bookshelves. But until it does, well, here's the exciting news. If you pre-order a copy of Anna Cooks before the September 30th launch date, you get access to claim a bonus bundle of recipes. That's right, you will have 6 exclusive recipes. These aren't anywhere, not on the channel, not in print, that you can cook to get yourselves worked up until you get your very own copy of Anna Cooks. The recipes in the bundle are from every meal of the day and are really meant to get you in the spirit of cooking in the style that I cook, just like this Spelt spaghetti carbonara with a bit of a twist. Now, for more details and to claim your recipe bundle, just click on the link below. It's my website, and before you know it, you'll be cooking up in anticipation of your copy of Anna Cooks arriving on your doorstep. I'll see you in print and right here on Oh Yum.